Word. I know, in just 2 years, Yolondo Salmon Thomas and her husband Rayon turned a long-loved passion for makeup into an extremely successful brand. Playing in Makeup by Yolondo. You call it Pimby?
Yes.
For short. Yeah. She's here with us this morning. Welcome to Smile.
Thank you.
It's good to have you.
Thank you.
You've been away for a little while. You left Jamaica in
2006.
You've been in Hotlanta all that time?
No, I actually I moved to Georgia, spent 4 years in Georgia, then I moved to New York, spent like 11 years in New York, and moved back recently, over a year now, to Atlanta.
To Hotlanta, to Georgia.
Yes.
2017, December 29 was when your life changed for good.
Yes.
Launched a business.
Yes.
So tell me about the love of makeup, first of all.
First of all, I was born and raised in Jamaica. I always watched my mom put on this beautiful red lipstick. She passed away when I was 8 years old. However, that's where I fell in love with makeup. She was so passionate about it. And I grew that passion. Yes.
Yeah, so playing in makeup is like what you used to do, I mean, with makeup before you started making it. Playing around. Doing your own face.
Doing my own face. Remember, I didn't start it as a professional. So we actually played first. In anything we do,
that's true.
We start out by playing, practicing.
It's true.
So I moved the word practicing and add playing.
And it makes it so playful and
it is playful.
Personal and fun, because makeup ought to be fun and beautiful and make you feel like a better version of yourself.
Listen, when you look good, you feel good.
Absolutely, and when you smell good too, and boy, can I tell you, Yolanda smells so nice.
Oh, thank you.
Yes. So tell me about the line now. I see you have brushes, how does a non-makeup person go about actually developing a brand, developing the products, making sure they're exactly what you want?
So first of all, I always encourage people, if you are developing a brand, start with something that you're passionate about and don't just do it for money. I'm very passionate about makeup. As I always tell people also, yes, make money feels good, but that will sometimes slow down and it's going to stop you from going. But if you are passionate about something, it will keep you going. And you have to pray about it.
Jamaican, we have the prayer happening, I think.
You have to stay prayed up.
Wow. Palette, high quality, luxurious products. So tell me what distinguishes Pimby from the other brands that are out there.
First of all, people are not just buying products and not knowing how to use it. When you buy a product from me, I come with it because I show you.
Ooh.
Yes.
How does that work?
I show you how to do it. I do blogs regularly on Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, showing people how to use my products. So you're not just going to buy my products and be left in the wild. I am going to be there showing you how to use my products. So what set me apart, me being who I am, me being in love with what I do. And Jamaica have a lot, because when you grow up in Jamaica from Jamaican heritage, your parents from a young age instill a lot of things in you. One cocoa full basket.
Right.
And it helps you to do better.
And about hard work and determination
and consistency.
And consistency.
You have to be consistent.
And all that has taken you to a business now with a client base in over 100 countries, net worth of approximately $5 million US. You heard me right. In 2020, Shopify recognized you as one of the highest growth brands, occupying the top 1% of over 1 million brands on Shopify.
Yes. Isn't that great?
That is incredible.
Yes.
How did you market?
How did I market? So what I did when Pimby blew up, we were...
How it blew up, by the way?
Okay, I'm going to get there. When we blew up, we blew up in a time where we're about to experience a global pandemic. So it was a lot of people that was home, sitting down, not doing anything. So I started blogging more. I started not only selling products, but getting to know people and people getting to know me. So I started out on Facebook.
Wow.
So that's where I started, by doing makeup, teaching people.
Right. So now you have Tell me, shadows?
So we are cosmetics. However, we also have a skincare line.
You do?
Yes.
Oh, tell me more.
And I also have a company. It's called My Brown Girls Hair and Skin that I started for my children to help to finance their education. I strongly believe in financial freedom. So my daughter just started university, and My Brown Girls are paid for her college.
Oh, gosh.
So, yes.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
I love this for you so much. So
Thank
where
you.
do you go from here?
Where do I go from here? First of all, I started this company in my boss's closet in Manhattan. Where do I see myself? Beyond.
Oh, yes.
I
In a
would
big
say
building in
beyond.
Manhattan, maybe.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I see Pimbi doing amazing stuff, reaching to many more, especially in Jamaica. This is where I'm from, and I want to show people, listen, we have it in us. We can do it. So I'm a lot more recognized in America and, many other countries. However, I want to show Jamaica, listen, this is where I was born, raised, and do it. There's so much greatness in us.
Is the line here?
Yes, we do other products in stores here.
Fantastic. Well, where do we find the makeup lady in social media?
You can
What
find
are
me.
we things? Jam Rock, No Limitations, eyeshadow palette. Yes, where do we find
Okay, you can find me on Facebook, Playing in Makeup by Yolondo. Please remember, it's only O's, Yolondo, Playing in Makeup by Yolondo. You can also find me on Instagram, Playing in Makeup by Yolondo. If you're trying to find me, I'm also on TikTok, Yolondo Salmon.
Fantastic. Yes. What a great story. Congratulations.
Thank you.
All the best to you as you forge ahead. We will be watching to see where you go from here.
Thank you
but
so
thank
much.
you for exemplifying Jamaican greatness.
Yes,
Appreciate
it's so
that.
much greatness in
Love
us.
it. There is, as evidenced by you. Yolondo Salmon Thomas, CEO of Playing in Makeup by Yolondo. Take a break and smile. We're coming back. Yeah, wrap up time. Soon come.